Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this video and also kind of like an update on Hook or the Hook protocol, but we'll be covering the Hook token obviously and its massive moves still because we've been very bullish again. So I just wanted to cover that, see what's going on, tell you what's going on, and also my opinion on where we are going next. So let's get right into it. It's I mean, Hook right now we're at an all-time high. It's very bullish. And just to dive right into it, there's really no good reason for why it is this bullish. Don't get me wrong, I like Hook protocol. I like the project and I've liked it since the beginning. I mean, you can check out my first Hook protocol review and you will hear that I'm quite positive about it. But right now, I mean, there's just nothing really fundamentally backing this up. I mean, maybe if there's some sort of a huge influx of new users on their ecosystem, maybe that could explain it, but there's, to my knowledge, there's no way to view that. And I did research it a little bit. I mean, you would hope to find it somewhere here, but I very much doubt it. This is more of an explanation and a shortcut site. But yeah, and apart from that, I mean, if you take a look at the volume, you can also see some shady volume. I don't like Deepcoin that much. I don't like Hotcoin this much if a lot of volume is coming from there. And in total, it's almost 100 million. So almost a third of the volume is coming from, well, not 100% credible sources. All right. So just to get started, I mean, we will cover it and I'll tell you honestly what I think will happen. But just to get started, if you want to trade Hook, please be cautious. All right, because it's extra risky to trade it. Now, last analysis, what I said is this, I believe. This was on my chart, so I think so. I said that at some point we would be able to break above $3 again, and the moment we would do that, we would take a break retest, which we dipped down quite heavily, actually, more than I expected. But we would take a break retest and get up to my price target, which was an all-time high. So I kind of had to go off of fundamentals, 3.5, and now we can see that we actually we found our way all the way up to 3.75. But in general, I still think the strongest resistance really is around 3.5. We could check that out if we go to the 15-minute. Yeah, we react to 3.5 fairly well, just a level around that, I would argue. So that's where we are right now. We have this small support level, I guess you could argue at least, under us at around 3.25, another psychological level. So the big thing is where we want to go is we want to really solidify our move up to probably $4, to be honest. Hook protocol is really reactive to those semi-round numbers, like 2.5. We reacted to that quite heavily, or at least a level around it. $3, respected that as well a number of times. 3.5, and you can go on. I mean, $2, 1.5. So $4 is my price target. I think the only way in which we could get there, and for that I do want to use a new fib level. The only way we could get there is if we, well, we're probably going to drop down from here. If we're going to drop down and we can actually hold this 3.3, 3.25 level, and then at some point break above 3.5, it's over. Then we're definitely going up to $4. Whether this is manipulated or not, that's just probably what's going to happen. If we can, and I'm trying to make that clear, if we can stay on top of 3.3 and 3.25, because the moment Hook will fall, we will fall pretty hard. So right now we're going to fall down towards 3.3 and 3.25. If we're definitely going to find some support there, but if we cannot sustain that support and we break down below, we'll just take a break retest and start falling, probably down to $3 and 2.9 at first, but probably even further than that. But I will cover that and I will make an update for you, so don't worry too much about that yet. But just to show you the significance of that 3.3, 3.25 level. For now, I think that the market and the Hook protocol is strong enough and that there's enough bullish momentum for me to say that this is my most likely scenario. But yeah, to me, it's like this is a 60% probability and this is a 50, or that doesn't add up, 40% probability. So yeah, that's my full analysis on Hook for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.